Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Avax or Avalanche. We'll talk a little bit about the network as well, but wanted to keep you updated. I covered Solana earlier today as well, and if you don't know, Solana and Avax tend to rally and move together quite a bit. Right, so what we saw overnight is that Solana broke out against Bitcoin. That's obviously very, very bullish. And Avax, I think, is also quite interesting here. What we see in general before we look at other things, and we'll dive right into the analysis here. So hopefully you don't mind. But no, what we saw with Avax, especially overnight and also going into this morning, is that there's a major bid coming in. I mean, look at this. This is the open interest, right? So this is positions being opened. And there's a ton of positions being opened, and this was half an hour ago. So probably when you're watching this video, probably like an hour and a half ago, and we already saw overnight that there was a bid coming in. So that's obviously also reflected in the chart right here. Avax is just very strong. Now, do I think you should buy it right here? Not necessarily. I think Avax is a good hold for the next couple of months. I think we're getting into that second leg of the bull market right now. And I think Avax is decent. It's decent to hold, but to really take a trade, like at this point of time, sure, we're bullish, right? It's the open interest, the momentum is still going up. Technically, if you go to the 4 hour, the 1 hour time frame, we are very bullish, but we're also almost at a very strong resistance level, and that's it. And that's this resistance level right here between $31 and $29, basically $30. As you can see, historically, that is a very strong resistance level. It's a psychological level as well. We got a bit of a fake out above that, the 21st of July, but back then, what you can see as well is that once we actually retested that fake out, we crashed down like you haven't seen in a long period of time. Fundamentals also caused this, but still. So that's the level to break. And if you really want to take a solid trade on this, at this point of time, I would either wait for a pullback. So then we're looking at levels like a level like 26.6, maybe into $25, but I would be a little bit surprised if we drop down all the way there. That means that Bitcoin is pulling back a lot. But either a pullback or wait for $30 to break. Now, do I think $30 has the chance to break here? It has the chance, but I would not suspect it. I would not expect it, right? So I cannot talk anymore, so that's great. But no, I mean, it's just safer to wait for the breakout itself. Avalanche is doing fine when we actually take a look at some statistics here. TVL is up quite a bit, obviously also with the price of Avax. DEX trading volumes, daily transactions, daily active addresses, still pretty low, right? So if we're looking at the fundamentals, that also doesn't give us any reason to suspect we're going to go parabolic here. If we break above $30 on the higher time frames, then the possibilities are endless, right? So then the first price target is like $40. So that's already a 30% move, which is great. That's a trade you want to take. For now, I think it's most likely we'll find resistance there. All right. So in summary, do I think we're bullish? Yes. Do I think we will stay bullish? Yes. But I do think we'll find resistance here. Drop down into that level between 27 and 25.5. Find support there. Consolidate and later break above $30 and rally up higher. Those are my thoughts for now. I will keep you updated on this. I would be careful for the pullback here. But that's up to you in the end. All right. This is just my thoughts on it. If you have a different opinion, that's fully possible as well. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.